Morning guys, another beautiful day. I am in the house this morning. Been working already. My shirt's wet already, but that's because I helped it get wet with some well water because I was sweating. But it's a beautiful day. Got the tractor outside the door here this morning. Digging now in this part. So it's a little slow process, but lots of digging. Got some buckets here and trying to get this dug down kind of similar to this side over here, just to make it more usable, more accessible. And then this side is already kind of sloped down over here. There's an access over here to the deeper part, so gonna probably leave it kind of sloped, but at least smooth it out a little bit and stuff. But yeah, so we got the tractor bucket parked out here like before. You can get about 20 buckets full in there, plus some rocks usually. Just gonna keep digging here. So the one thing I'm thankful for today is a nice breeze. I know everything lately has been about, just kind of simple things, but it's good to be thankful for the little things because then you're thankful for the big things as well. Something simple like having a fan set up, like over here. I got a fan set up, so that's been helping in here some, but also there's just a nice gentle breeze outside, and when you step out it feels great and stuff. So just thankful for the little things today. Let me know down in the comments, guys, what are you thankful for today? So this is all the dirt that I dug out. I think this is bucket number 4 with the tractor. So there's about 20 buckets, 25-gallon buckets per bucket. So I think I got 80 buckets out of this side already. I lost track. I think I said it in another video, but how many we did on this side over here. But there was probably quite a few more than that. I want to say 180 buckets. 9 loads or so. Anyway, I still got a ways to go. Not sure, maybe a couple more tractor bucket fulls out of here. And then this side we're going to kind of taper down like I had talked about. On the house end of things, I did get a little bit more dug here since I last showed it. So I think I got 4 tractor bucket loads out of here, which is about 85-gallon bucket fulls today. Which in a way might not sound like quite a bit, but it was quite a bit, I think. I got a little bit to do over there yet, in that area, but I'm getting pretty close here. Yeah, then we still got a little bit to do in the middle here, and then figure out how we want to slope that to access that other side. That is the update for tonight, so we'll see you all guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Thanks, guys.